So if you're looking for something that will still work magic on your face without actually breaking the bank, this particular product is the one you should be using right now. It's available in all beauty. Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. It's again Melina, and today I'll be sharing the first beauty product that I used, the first facial kit I used on my face when I came to Canada, and how it reacts to my skin and my honest opinion. Okay, to begin with, it's not any other product than this one, Mario. I used it a long time ago, but because I knew I was going to share my video and my experience with you guys, I kept the pack for a long time, and it's $29. Actually, this was gifted to me for my birthday, and it was really a good one. Okay, so first of all, the product comes in this pack inside of here, right? It comes right in, it's like this in this pack. So we have this particular one right here, then we have the toner here, and we have this one here, then we have the oil, the serum here. Okay, so it comes in a pack of 4 sets, and this is all of it. Oh, she's all of it. All right, so let me start over with the toner. When I'm done with my shower, usually I go in with the toner, and for me, this side comes blue, and for me it works very well because when I came and I was trying to settle in, I had some visible acne scars and stress that I go through all in trying to settle down. So this particular product right here helps in soothing and calming your skin very well. You can check on their website, Mario Badescu Essential.com. I'm gonna leave it on the screen when I'm editing, so you can go directly check the product and get more of the ingredient, because I don't want to make the video so long for you guys. So it worked very well for me. Then it helped to calm my skin, especially when I'm consistent with it and I use it for like a day straight, 4 or 5 days straight without any break, guys, and you love your skin. So yeah, Mario is that. This one is sent to be the toner. Yeah, I was right. Yeah, this is toner. And then most time after toning down, what I do is, so I'm explaining to you guys how I use it. I use the rose water facial spray. I spray on my skin, I spray on my face. This is not how it comes, so this is no longer the Mario water, but I'll tell you guys what it is right here towards the end of the video, so you know what color to expect in your rose water. Not this color, please, not this color. Okay, so not this color. And so this is the clay mask. I usually use this on a Saturday. This is how it comes, small but mighty. So I usually use this one on a Saturday when I'm at home, you know, leave it on my face for a while, and just a normal process of using clay. That's how I use this one. Wash it off, go back straight again to the toner, refresh my face with the rose water, and then I go in with this particular vitamin C serum here. This is the this is the vitamin C serum that I've used, and it has not broken me out. If you watch my video back home, back when I started, you will see that when I was trying some other product, vitamin C, I don't want to mention name, you know that for a while it's going to break you out, then it start balancing your face. This one doesn't do like that. It goes straight to brightening your face, and it really works the magic, and I loved it for me. Okay, so how much does this cost? I think I've mentioned that before. It's $29. It costs $29, and it lasts very well. Like, this set came in for my birthday. I didn't start using it until like 2 months later, and we're in June. By the way, my birthday is in February, so I didn't start using it until 2 months later, and we're in June and we still have it. Okay, so I told you guys I'm going to tell you about what is here. So now I have my body spray here because I love the cap like this. I smell good, but no, not this time. Okay, so I have my body spray here. That's because I finished the rose water before any of this trick. Like, can you imagine? Look at the toner I see here, and then I finished the rose water and refilled it with something, using it for something separate. So yeah, the most loved product for me in this set is the rose water, which is gone, because I can just finish everything after application. I like just spray, you know, spray it on my face. I could take it in my bag when I'm going out when the weather is hot and just spray it in my face and give it that beautiful glow. So yes, it really worked for me. And will I purchase it again? I will purchase it again, especially the rose water, which is gone by the way, and refilled with something else, and the serum. So you see the serum, look at it right here, it's almost gone as well. So they really did the magic for me and worked very, very well for me. So if you're looking for a product for a good start, a vitamin C syrup that won't break your skin, anyway, you can just go ahead and shop this particular one. So I'm going to leave the link, or I'll list the website on the screen, so you see it and just shop directly without stress. And so this particular product right here will do the work that you want it to do for you. Okay, so more videos coming, and if you have any topic, any product you want me to try, we can definitely do that. So you can order it directly from the website, or you can shop from Medics. If you're in Nigeria, you can shop from Medics. So more juicy videos will be coming, and I'm going to talk about my relocation journey as well, or immigration if you want to come. If you're already here, job tips, because when I came here I didn't spend up to 2 weeks, I think a week. Then I started working, not a big work, not a big money, but that was when I started having my small coins coming in as an immigrant. So I really have my little share of being able to grab jobs easily somehow. So I'll definitely be spilling the tea right here. So stay right here, stay tuned, and don't go anywhere. Until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.